crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute origami chicken egg finger puppet. All you'll need is a square sheet of paper and also some markers to decorate. Let's get started. To make the chicken and egg finger puppet, you're going to need a square sheet of paper. Take your sheet of paper and fold it in half to create a triangle shape. Next, I'm going to fold up about 1/4 of an inch, so I'm actually going to go a little bit more, about the size of my thumbnail. So the more you fold, the taller your eggshell is going to be, and the less you fold, the shorter it's going to be. So I like it right about here. Take the entire thing and flip it around. And now at this side, we're going to take the right side and bring it towards the left about 1/3 of the way. So that would be right about here, I would say. And then crease that in. Now let's do the exact same thing on the left side. So we're going to take the left side and fold it over to the right and crease that in. Open it up and you have 2 flaps, one on the left and one on the right. So both sides have an opening that you can see. I like to take the right flap and stick it into the opening on the left flap. You can do it the other way around too. It's just a little easier for me because I'm right-handed, but if you're left-handed, you can do it in the opposite direction. So now it locks into place like that, and you have a little opening at the bottom. Then you just flip it around, and you want to round the sharp corner at the top. So I'm going to fold it back just a little bit, and you can fold it a lot or a little depending on how you want to shape your chicken's head. Now I'm going to grab a marker and just make very simple decorations. So I'm going to give him 2 little eyes, a simple nose, which is super cute, a hand. Let's go like that. One on the left side. And then make a simple decoration on the egg. So I'm going to do some squiggly lines. And then maybe add some circles. You can also color your chicken. So I'm going to make mine a bright yellow. And when I color, I like to outline it first so that it's easier to color. And then I just draw straight lines right across like this. Color in the egg as well. So now we got our little egg, we got the chicken, and now we're going to shape it to size. So you're going to stick your finger right over here and then pinch this corner right there and fold it back. And do the same thing on the right side. So we're going to fold it back at the corner. So now we have our little chick, an egg with the opening at the bottom, and your finger should fit right in like that. So this finger puppet can easily be a pencil topper too. So you just grab a pencil, flip it around, and you want to slip the pencil right into this opening like this. And if it has a clip, you could clip it right on. And you also have access to your eraser too. So now you got your origami chicken and egg pencil topper. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy that, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up so I know you want to see more tutorials like this in the future. Check out some of my other videos as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!